Today I'm showing you how to weld a perfect 90-degree joint. First, make sure the cut and fit up are clean so the joint matches properly. Here, I'm using a 3.2 millimeters 6013 rod with a machine set around 100 amps. Once the arc is struck, move slowly and keep a steady hand so the bead stays uniform and both sides fuse nicely. Always maintain a short arc length. If it's too long, you'll get more spatter and weak fusion. After finishing the joint, clean off the slag and you'll see a smooth, strong weld bead. With practice, you'll be able to make professional quality joints every time.